Number 64.
Welcome to the TopCat AI signal report. Today we're going a little deeper. Bring enough in for the depth you're willing to explore. From the blur, we can hear it now. Less noise in the room, more truths coming out. From noise to signal. From noise to signal. When we are just vibing, creation happens. From noise to signal. From noise to signal. Calm in the current. That's where it lands.
And where it lands today, I'm Coach Clement, and thank you for joining me on the TopCat AI Signal Report. This is episode 64, where we have clarity, control, execution, and creation. Today's theme, the age of AI agents, the signal is moving from answers to action. The opening signal, Grand Rising, my signal seekers, let's grow. Welcome back to the TopCat AI Signal Report, where we separate the noise from what actually matters. And today, the signal is getting clearer. Now, I know it's raining today in Ohio, but damn it, it's going to get clearer. Now, AI is no longer just becoming something you talk to. It's becoming something you delegate to. But before everybody runs out yelling, AI is taking over, hold on, chill out, put the seatbelt on. We've heard that song before. Remember, when everybody said that the internet would destroy everything? Yeah, I remember that. I totally do. And I know y'all do too. Remember when social media was going to end communication, destroy relationships? Okay, I take that back. It is destroying relationships. Then we realized the people who learned how to use it built communities and businesses. So today's question is not, is AI coming? That ship has sailed. The question is, are you building your ability to work with it? Let's get into the signal. Signal 1. AI agents are becoming the new business workforce. The biggest shift happening right now is moving from AI assistants to AI agents. An assistant answers, an agent acts. An assistant says, here's how you can follow up with the customer. An agent says, I noticed a new lead came in, drafted a response, scheduled a follow-up, updated the CRM, and prepared your report. Now that's what I want. Now, we're not taking the place of any humans, right? This just adds to the functionality, credibility of the business. Are y'all hearing me? Somebody put it in the chat for me. Let's go. Or if you're driving, blow your horn for me. All right, here's the difference, y'all, and it's enormous. Small businesses are especially positioned to benefit because AI agents can handle repetitive tasks, kind of like customer support, scheduling, lead follow-up, inbox organization, and reporting. The signal for entrepreneurs. You don't necessarily need more employees. You need better systems. And this is from the Small Business Administration. Okay, guys, here's the signal test. Let's run today's story through the signal test. Is it noise? No. AI agents are net. Come on now. This is sounding crazy. AI agents are not just another chatbot trend. Is it a trend? Yes. Adoption is accelerating. Is it signal? Absolutely. Not absolutely, abso-effing-lutely. Because the businesses that learn to design workflows around AI will operate differently from businesses that only use AI occasionally. The advantage is moving from who has the biggest team to who has the smartest systems. Are y'all feeling this? Signal 2. AI safety is becoming a business issue. Now let's talk about the part nobody wants to discuss at a cookout, right? More powerful AI means more responsibility. Recent discussions around advanced AI systems have increased focus on testing, security, governance, because organizations are realizing an AI agent with permission to act is different from a chatbot answering questions. You feel me? If an AI system can access files, send messages, write code, or interact with other systems, then identify permissions and oversight matter, man, they better have a human at the other end of that. Y'all kicking that? Let's go. The signal. Don't just ask, what can AI do? Ask, what should AI be allowed to? right? That is the difference between innovation and chaos. That's from The Guardian, y'all. Signal 3. The small business AI divide is opening. Here's what I want entrepreneurs listening to pay attention to. Can y'all do that for me? All right. There's a gap forming. Not between people who have AI and people who don't. Almost everybody has access now. The gap is between people experimenting with AI and people integrating AI into their business. Now let me stop a second. Are you integrating AI in your damn business, or are you one of the ones that's still collecting tools? Now you don't have to answer Coach Clement, but sooner or later you're going to have to answer the CFO. All right. Testing is fun, y'all. Integration creates results. The business owner says, AI is interesting, is in one category. The business owner who says, my AI system handles my leads, my customer questions, my scheduling, and my content workflow, is paying and playing a different game. Let's go. And that's from Global Newswire. Now here's my coach's corner. Now let me give you my human moment for today. I laugh at this, because we're watching history repeat itself. Every major technology shift creates two groups. People saying, that's not real. And the people quietly learning, how do I use this? The funny thing is, the second group usually doesn't make that much noise. They're too busy building. This is crazy right here. My right is good. The creation signal. Here's today's takeaway. AI will not replace the person who knows how to create value, but the person who knows how to combine human creativity, emotional intelligence, strategic thinking, and AI systems will have an advantage. The future isn't human versus machine. The future is humans who know how to direct intelligent tools. Let's grow. Like TopCat Enterprises LLC. We're located in Gahanna, y'all. We love our local businesses in the area for sure. TopCat AI and coaching. And we're going to hang out at my favorite restaurant, Asian Gourmet in Stone Ridge. We're going to do an AI kind of like, retreat. So if y'all interested, hit me up in the chat or DM me, and let's see if we can make that happen, Gahanna. All right, first signal. Before you chase the next AI headline, ask yourself, is this noise? Is this a trend? Or is this a signal that changes how I move? Today's TopCat signal. Stop collecting AI tools, y'all. Start building AI systems. And if you need help, again, TopCat AI and coaching, we're here for you. Because the winners of the next chapter won't be the people with the most technology. They'll be the people who know what to do with it. Now, this is Coach Clement, as I told you guys. They call me Babu as well. You have been listening to the AI Signal Report number 64. Stay curious. Stay creating. And most importantly, stay tuned to the next bloody signal, y'all. TopCat AI Signal Report. And remember, for you owners who are sick and tired of chasing every bloody story, stay with us. We got you covered. I'm Coach Clement. This has been number 64. We're out. Thank you. Get that umbrella now. It's raining. Be careful if you're driving. Let's go, Columbus.